La Sincere Radiance Repair Ritual. Radiance, Silken Smoothness, Renewal from the very first touch. Indulge in the cleansing gel, a gentle yet luxurious ritual that effortlessly dissolves makeup while calming and deeply hydrating the skin. ATP Gel Lotion instantly quenches the skin, relieving dryness and irritation while reinforcing its protective barrier. A sensorial massage with pure squall oil nourishes and softens, fortifying the skin's lipid barrier and enveloping it in lasting comfort and profound hydration. After the procedure, the skin becomes hydrated, calm, and more resilient to external factors. Experience the in-out mask, delivering an intensive lifting effect, enhancing elasticity and leaving skin irresistibly smooth, supple, and radiant. Follow with Clear Rich R, a biogel designed to firm and protect. It strengthens cells, stimulates collagen production, and locks in moisture for long-lasting resilience. The ritual concludes with MoistFit UV, a feather-light emulsion that perfects skin tone, refreshes the complexion, and shields the skin throughout the day. The ritual is perfected with Lip Therapy. Add ceramide, an exquisite ceramide lip cream that restores the lip's natural barrier, visibly smooths fine lines, and delivers an immediate plumping Botox-like effect. Lips are left silky, nourished, and beautifully refined. Skin emerges hydrated, lifted, luminous, and visibly renewed from the very first moments. An exquisite radiance that captivates.